when you come to menopause, you have all the help you need from your body. And guess how it speaks to you? Achy joints, tiredness. So tiredness, more rest. Achy joints, look to your vitamins and minerals. Are you exercising? Are you not exercising? Are you overdoing it? Should you pare back and do less? So in other words, rather than see some of the symptoms of menopause being an issue or not good and you mask them, embrace them. What is your body trying to tell you? And this opens a whole new world, and you realize, oh my gosh, I'm a whole person, I'm a holistic being, and my mind and my body and my energy and my sexuality are all working together, inextricably linked, so that I can be the best I can be. And when you come out the other side, oh my gosh, it's so exciting. But don't buy into all of the scary stories that you've heard.